Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain common sequence operations. So before going to explain about the examples, just look at the documentation given by the Python official website. This is the common sequence operations. Here look into this table. Here table gives the list of operations that is performed to give a result. These are common to the every sequence type. Look at this. Here x in s gives a true or false based on the s is equal to s. So look into this table. Here I'm going to explain you len, min, max, count. In my example, here what you have to understand is here in this s and t are sequences. X is the item in the sequence. N is the integer. Ijk is also integer. So X is the arbitrary object. Okay, I will give you examples to you. Okay, try to run this. This is the list. It is mutable. Even for mutable or immutable, this will work. These are common operations. Okay, minimum is 2, maximum is 4, length of the even list is 4. Okay, just I changed something. What happens? Check it out. Okay, I think you got a clarity. So try to execute it. So you got a output. Here, minimum is a function, maximum is a function, length is a function. There is a difference between method and a function. I will explain you difference between method and function in future sections. In detail, I will give you a explanation to the uh, uh, function and all those objective oriented programming related information I will give in the future sections. Just look at this. Minimum max length is functions. Here I'm doing a concatenation operation. So I hope you got a clarity. Here the concatenation operation is performed. It is also a common operation within a sequences. So here two lists are combined, but it is combined into the new object, new list object, not to the existing. I will show you in another way. Okay, I want to explain you one method, just an example method. Till now I explained about functions. Here I will show you a method. How many co in coconut? Coconut is a object. Co is also a object. How many occurrences of this co-object in a coconut is identified? This is a method, not a function. Here it is two times. Two times. If you make it COC, what happens? It is one time. It is CO. It is two time. It is two time. Okay. I am using a dot operator to perform this count method. So these are the common sequential operations. I hope you got a clarity. See you in the next session.